Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzio Inte Malai Okor Les Ozman.
Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week he dives into the Noam Elimelech, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So, why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Noam Elimelech? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Shalom and blessings. Welcome to our channel. Every Wednesday, Rabbi Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblenzer Rebbe, shares a teaching from the holy Hasidic volume, Noam Elimelech. This week, for Parshas Noach, the Rebbe Reb Melech teaches a homily on Genesis chapter 6, explaining how we can learn from Noah how to grow in worship of God. Let's watch.
All right, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn something from the holy Reb Elimelech from Lezhensk. This week's Parshas, Parshas Noach. In the book of Genesis chapter 6, it says, Elo told us Noach each tzaddik tamim ha'b'derosav. It says, these are the offspring of Noah. Noah was a saintly, righteous man, perfect he was in his generations. Near Li, says the Heilige Rebbe Melech from Lezhensk, if a person is busy worshipping the blessed and exalted Creator with all of his deeds, constantly serving God with whatever he does, meaning even materialistic things a person does. A person eats and drinks. If he eats in holiness and drinks in holiness, even on the lowest level of having the proper intentions, that he's removing the refuse, the waste from the food, and elevating the spirituality within the food, as a person continues on such a path, he isn't stagnant, he's constantly growing. His constancy is a sign of growth. And so therefore, every time he comes up, he rises up and reaches another archetype, another level. That's called another generation, archetypically. When in comparison to the previous archetype that he conducted himself with. As one conducts himself according to the archetype, it's called a generation. But if he falls from this archetype, falls into another archetype, it's as if he came to a different generation. That's what it means, I believe, in Ecclesiastes, that a generation goes and a generation comes, that it means that Perishukhanal, it means, like we said above, that he fell from the first archetype, that he was conducting himself with until now. This archetype that he is walking on, that's called a generation that is going, that's walking. V'darba, and a generation comes, gam kein kanal. It's also like we said above, Shabala b'china cheres. So that's what it means. One generation goes, he's walking in that archetype, and then another generation comes, he comes to a different archetype. From a cause of achtzarch shiyeh ba'oif and varetz le'elam amedus. But Scripture warns us that this has to be in a way, as it says, one generation comes and one generation goes, and the earth always stands. Perish what it means, Sha'artzius, means that the earthliness, the landliness, the Hainu Gashmius, meaning materialism, you have to stand it up. It has to stand upright. That you have to conduct yourself in a manner of holiness, as we said above. That's what it means, that it always stands. That to the world it stands, to the supernal worlds. The word olam means forever, but also means to the world. For Adam is not canal, if a person conducts himself in such a manner, but b'chol pam b'china cheres, every time he reaches a different archetype. But if a person does not conduct himself with holiness, then all of these things have no connection to him. He never rises to another archetype. That's what it means from one generation to the next generation. If a person wants to go and come from one generation to another generation, meaning from one archetype to another archetype, as we said above, he should praise his works. Perish, it means he has to sanctify himself also in materialism so much that even his earthly conduct praises God, as we said. That's what it means that Noah was a righteous man. He was perfect in his generations. Meaning in all of his archetypes that were in him, that he was always a righteous, perfect saint with them. All of this was because Noah walked with God. All his deeds were only for the sake of God's great name. Therefore he went every time from one archetype to another. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.